Hello, this is Ray from Off Highway Van. Welcome to our next episode of Tech Tips. Today we'll be going over the Wilderness Van Seat for our Doc Holiday owners. The Wilderness Van Seat is a great source to have another passenger sit in the van as well as have another passenger sleep in the van. To open this up as a bed system, there's going to be a few pivotal steps on getting this in the perfect position and allowing for your kids or for your passengers to sleep in the van. The first process of getting it into bed mode is by removing the headrest from the seat. Once all three headrests are removed, you'll want to hit the lever on the left side and put it in the up position to deploy the first mechanism of the seat. Once the front half of the seat is deployed, you'll want to reach underneath the seat. Under the seat, you'll feel a felt bar. When you feel this felt bar, you will notice a lever directly behind it. Pull on the lever to move the seat. Once you gain that space, you can then deploy the center of the seat. All you need to do is hold the side bar, and that will deploy the center. From there, you have your Wilderness Van Seat deployed, and you're able to use it as a bed for your passengers. Thank you for tuning in to our episode of Tech Tips on the Wilderness Van Seat. We look forward to seeing you in our next episode.